Hello, this is our factory gate, and we have the two buildings. The one building A is our production workshop, and the building B is our administrative and dynamic salesman office. We can go to the building A. The first of all is our first floor. The first floor is our debagging workshop, and our all machine will be debagging on the first floor. And sometimes our client will online inspection the machine, or sometimes they will send to the inspection video to the client. And some clients will come to our factory and inspection the machine directly. And when finished the debugging, we will arrange to shipment. We have the shipment department to arrange the machine ship. And this is our client's customize, and we can customize the client's logo. And for this machine is the top scan, the barcode, and measure the dimension for the parcel. Also by the camera is the top size and the weight. And after gather all data, we will upload the information use the computer and upload all information to the client's website. And for this size is a customized DWS, and the sorting is a production line, and we add a printer label machine. And for this part, we have the 5 size to scan the barcode, and also use the top scan, and use the top camera. The camera is on the top, and measure the parcel dimension. When we receive all the data, will come to the printer. The printer will give some. We receive the signal, and will pass the label on the parcel. And the parcel will, according to the rules, to sorting for the different stations. We also have some different other machines. So, the packing machine for the carton. And for the desk office is our quality production office. And when we receive the hardware parts from the supplier, our quality inspection will be arranged to check the situation of the parts, and if have some crash issues for the hardware parts, we will back from to the other vendor, and the vendor will remake it, and until the part is good. This is our second floor. The second floor is our embassy's workshop and the distribution workshop for the power. Most of our equipment will be empty and the distribution on the second floor when go to the first floor to debagging. This is our third floor, and the third floor have the R&D workshop and our engineer office, marking department, and also have the project department. The project department will organize all details for the project. And this is our marking office, and this is our engineer office. We have the electric engineer, designer engineer, software engineer. And this is our R&D workshop. For the next way, that side is our new DWS machine type. And this machine also have the scan the barcode, weight, and measure the dimension. But what is the difference? We use the optical to measure the parcel dimension, will be higher precision. And our all new machine will be test on the third floor. And also the third floor will be through the many times tests to test the new machine. After finish the test, we will arrange to promotion.